How to order checks online from Ally Bank on desktop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need more checks, well here is how to order them online with Ally Bank on desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, then you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Ally Bank. And now here from the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Ally Bank. Now here you simply have to log in using your credentials and once logged in from your account overview, simply select the checking account you want to order checks for from the account list and in the account menu, you simply have to click order checks or checks and supplies to open the ordering page and there you can choose your check style, quantity and any optional features like custom designs and messages. And there you can just confirm your account and shipping details and then review the order summary including any fees. And with that, you can just click submit order or place order to finish the request securely and that's it. That's how you can order checks online from Ally Bank on desktop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.